tell me somewhere we can run energy on there?
Oh, yes, it's in my left leg, my meniscus.
How are you scoring your knee, and what is it you're feeling in the knee?
The knee is like it's slipping out of the. It's really bad. And
Okay,
yeah,
so
I'm really bad on these days.
is it pain? Is it
It's
painful?
pain and yeah, it is. It's not a big pain, but it's really worrying me because
Is
you feel like your bones are going out of the leg.
ah
It's really slipping.
okay.
Yeah,
So what's going on for now this minute? What sensation do you feel in your knee?
I need to move to because when I'm at the moment it's not so bad. It's not so bad at the moment. Yeah, no. Maybe it's the energy you run before already been there because usually I'm really bad. At the moment it's not strong, but in this period I'm really bad with the
Okay,
knee.
so what's the sensation that you feel within it?
I think it's like inflammation.
Information. Okay. And how would you score this between 1 and 10, 10 being the most severe? How would you score it?
I would say 7, 8. It depends. Sometimes it's worse, sometimes it's not.
Now it's 7, 8,
Now, no, no. At the moment it's 5.
5. Okay,
Yeah,
so let's try. And you said it's the left knee.
left knee.
And again, breathe to your heart space and go in your happy space.
By the sea.
You okay, Dom?
Yeah, I'm moving the leg to see how I feel,
Yeah. What's going on?
and it's not a pain now. It's a discomfort, but it's not a pain.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go for another minute. Where would you score the discomfort between 1 and 10? 10 being the most severe.
Really, really, really low, really low. I could say 3. Yeah,
Okay. And because you
yeah,
said inflammation, so where would you score inflammation, or is that not a thing now?
yeah. No, I don't feel it now. Can you just
Yeah.
help
What
it?
about?
No, I don't feel it now.
Have a little walk. How is it?
I'm feeling better.
Yeah.
I'm feeling better. Yeah,
What are you
yeah.
scoring it now?
I'm on 2, 3. Yes,
Yeah.
really, really better. Yes.
And that's less than 10
Um,
minutes.
and this kind of thing, can I run it for me as well?
Yeah,
So
of
are
course.
you doing this? You do that for you,
Yeah.
for yourself.
Help me out of some
That's
deep shit,
fantastic.
for sure. Yeah.
That's fantastic.